Hey guys, welcome to question FM121 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. So this question reads, a mixed martial artist needs to lose weight before her fight in a couple of months. She's figured out that she needs to lose half a kilo per week in order to reach her target weight. Her weight, mn, in kilograms after n weeks would be modeled by the rule, and then we've got these 5 choices. Now, what I've found to be the most effective method for studying towards answering these types of questions is actually understanding what each of these recurrence relations would actually be doing. So we'll start with option A. So in A we've got mn plus 1 equals 0.5 mn. Now, immediately we can see that this is a geometric sequence, not an arithmetic sequence. So we've noticed that this 0.5 is timesing one of our m values. So to get from this m value to the next m value, we must multiply it by 0.5. So what that would end up looking like is it would half it. So if we were to start with something like 4, so just picking an arbitrary number, 4 would become 2, which would become 1, which would become 0.5, and so on and so forth. So since we want to be dropping half a kilo per week, that's not what we're doing. What we'd see happening here is the fighter would be half her weight the next week and then half her weight the week after. And yeah, that is not what we're looking for there. So option A is a no-go. B here. Similar, once again, we can see this is geometric, so immediately not our answer because we're looking to go down by half a kilo per week. That's an arithmetic amount. We're not increasing by percentage or decreasing by percentage. So we immediately know it's not the answer, but let's talk about what this is doing. Now we've got to get from this value of n to the next value of n, we times by 0.95. So this is actually going to find 95% of our value from before. And it'll keep doing that. So our number's going to get smaller and smaller and smaller each time finding 95% of the last value. Not our answer. Once again, another geometric recurrence relation, so not our answer, but let's talk about what this one's doing. So to get from this value to the next value of m, we're timesing by 1.05, or finding 105%. So this one will increase, first of all, so once again, definitely not what we're looking for, but increase by 5% each time. So that 1.05 tells us we're increasing, well, we're finding 105%, which is a 5% increase. Once again, not our answer. These two are looking much more likely to be our answer because they're both arithmetic. We can see that because they're minusing, so if they were minus or a plus, they'd be arithmetic. And these are recurrence relations. So option D. Now we've got to get from this value of n to the next value of n minus 5. Now we don't want to be minusing 5 kilos, we actually want to be minusing half a kilo, which leaves us with option E as being your correct answer. If you have any questions about this, guys, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.